First place visited was Hannah's and Franta's beautiful house. That's where we stayed for one night. I just admired her blackberry bushes full of fruits in September, and it's thornless, so I got one for my garden too. Her organic eggs for breakfast were just delicious. Same day as we arrived, after having delicious lunch, we already went hiking for a tour to Blaník. On the way back, we visited Hannah's friend Jarmila, saw a beautiful collection on the wall, and had a chance to see actually live animals. Just a little chat with Hannah's mom.
Jak je člověk starý, musí se pohybovat. Jinak už bych tady nebyla.
To je pravda.
No, pořád něco dělám, pořád si uvařím a i upeču, když potřebuju. Ale ono všechno nejde už je to špatný. Nohy mi nesloužejí. Kdyby mi sloužily nohy, tak by to bylo dobrý.
Tak pomaličky. Pomaličky.
Krepou se mi ruce.
Pomaly. Máte času, nikde se neponáhne.
Já začínám vařit v oběd vždycky po snídani, abych to zvládla. No tohle bude na oběd a polívku mám tady. A nic jiného. Já už toho moc nesním, tak. A mám tady ještě od včerejška taky něco. Já pořád vařím a nestačím to sníst. Nepořádek.
Ne, tak to se varí, že?
Se vaří.
Amazing how independent she is and how she takes care of herself. And here we are, České Budějovice Airport. Masné krámy. And we had a nice lunch over there. And next up is Český Krumlov, beautiful, charming city. Used to be very neglected, but some investors invested money, and now it's a beautiful tourist attraction city. Cozy restaurants, beautiful flowers, just walking around and exploring the grounds. Beautifully manicured lawns and gardens, and adjacent is moving, and it's a place for summer concerts and performances. The weather was cooperating, so it was a pleasure walking. And next stop, Hotel na Jezeře, na Lipně. We stayed there for 2 nights. Took a walk by Lipno Lake, and it was so relaxing, so peaceful. Next day we took a trip to Plešné Jezero, and it was really beautiful, but on the way back it was raining. Just took some pictures, and then we were picking mushrooms, dubák, as you see. Visit to Frimburg Wellness Center. Next day we were back in Prague, Smíchov, Angelov. Took metro to the city, a little sightseeing, which was really nice. Noisy city with its own flair, but it was interesting. Following day, we are in Zelenči, and am I trying what I
tak jak je drobounká, tak bych řekla, že je tak na stejno, má velikost.
Zlatá je.
She was so excited.
Ale že holky nejsou jakoby o moc menší než ona, jako vzrůstem.
Ale perfektná velkost.
No,
Teba si tam dáme, Marečka si dáme, aby jsme to tam mali všetko. Tak se mi to páči?
Budeš to nosit na florbal tohle? A my máme ty boty, co jsme teď koupili, jsou přesně tyhle barvy, viď? Nebo jestli to bude nosit táta?
No tak toto je.
Já to mám ráno v 8 schůzku, tak možná ještě uvidíme. A potom já tam vyjedeš Plzeňskou náhodou na to, na Vybych a na Děčína a jedeš, to je hodinka.
Finally, Lukaszek put it on. He was just so shy. Hanka was a great hostess. She brought a very good tasty cold cut. We just loved it. And it was not all because she was still preparing dinner. Kids were behaving surprisingly good. And Hanka was cooking freshly picked mushrooms, potato. Wow! And we are in Angelo in Posen for a change. The last visited city on our list, and we were pleasantly surprised with its architecture and beautiful buildings. There was exposition of collection of the bells, which was really interesting to see. We visited the synagogue, you can see, and it was very interesting. There were some photographs that I admired, pictures of old carriages that I couldn't resist not to take a picture of them. Here is the main reason that we visited Posen. We wanted to see Prazdroj Brewery, where they brew the best beer on the world, Pilsner. Unfortunately, taping or photographs were not allowed, but memories will stay forever.